How to convert video file to audio file on iPhone. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser on your iPhone, tap on the search bar and type video to MP3. Now open up the first website. Now tap on choose files. Now select your video. Now tap on convert. Now wait for some time. Now once converted, tap on download. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.